so today I have a different video for you guys. It's quite different. So pretty much I was just chilling at home, editing a video as usual, and I came across the email of Panty Fresh. So the CEO, was like, hey, I seen your videos, I love your videos, and I want you to go ahead and see if you like my product, and if you do, then you do. So that's when I went ahead and I was like, yeah. So she went ahead and sent me 2 pair of panties, and pretty much I'm gonna just tell you what it's about and my views on it. And I tried it out for a day, and I'm going to give you all of my reviews and all of my thoughts and opinions on this product. So if you want to know what I think about this product, then please keep on watching. Okay, so pretty much I got this product like 2 weeks ago, I think. I was going to do a video soon on it, but as usual, the norm for us females every single month came up, and I was just like, no. And it lasted for like a week, and bloating, and oh my goodness, it was a hot cringy mess. So pretty much this week, back to norm. So I was like, you know what? Let's try this product. So pretty much I didn't want to try out this product being on my monthly, because I was like, I'm in my feelings. I very much want to be comfortable. Like you're just in that type of zone. Like you're just in that type of zone. So pretty much I was just like, you know what? This is the perfect time to try this out after the monthly. So I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, I made sure every single hour I was busy, I was outside, driving, walking, was not running, and pretty much I just wore this panty to the maximum. So it came in a package like this. So pretty much it just says like 4-in-1 panty, and then it says liner, then wipes, and then wash me bag. So pretty much it comes with all of these things, so that's why it says 4-in-1. Okay, and so pretty much I just opened it, and it came with a list of what it's for, and then it came with a note. So I'm gonna go ahead and read that note for you guys because I have not read it yet. That says, Jennifer, thank you for doing a review unboxing video for our product. I look forward to seeing your video and hearing your feedback. I have included a sheet with some information for all the different situations. The product is a lifesaver. Perhaps you can use it in your video and be creative with it. Best regards, Nita. So let's go ahead and let me tell you about this product. Okay, so pretty much the list. Long list. It's a long list. Okay, so it's ideal for vaginal purposes, long road trip, before and after intimacy. So pretty much this is like your all-around panty that pretty much, if you don't want to wear lace, if you don't want to wear granny panties around that time of the month, this is what this product is for. Literally, it's for everything. It's for going to the gym. It's for, like, say for instance you're in college and you have those nights where you wear those skimpy little dresses and you just want to be comfortable, and plus you don't want to feel like you're wearing panties. So pretty much it comes with 4 things just in this packaging right here. And she did go ahead and send me 2 pair of panties, and the pair of panties that she did send me is a thong that was in nude and extra large from 14 to 18. That is the maximum sizing. They do not go higher, and I will say my thoughts upon that. And then she sent me a regular panty that is white and extra large 14 to 18. So yeah guys, I went ahead and got these two, and pretty much literally those 4 things is in this little box. Like whoa, like 4 things in this little box. Like that is a lifesaver. So pretty much when I say those 4 things is in that little box, it's really handy. It's like really handy. You can put it in your makeup bag, your travel bag, your gym, pool, beach bag, carry it in your car. So pretty much you can just carry around like an essential, you know, when you are at school, and then, you know, those things happen, so you need a backup of pair of panties, a liner, and etc. So yeah guys, this is a really cool thing to go ahead and have on standby, because you know accidents do happen. Okay, so the extra large size is very stretchy and it can fit a size 22. So yeah guys, you don't have to worry about being a 14 to 18. It does fit up to a 22. It is ideal for road trips, for destinations. Literally, when I say everything, I mean everything. So yeah, it says useful product for every female. So yeah, and plus it's this is actually a great gift. This would be good for, you know, like bachelorette parties, and you know, stocking stuffers for Christmas. Gotta love stocking stuffers for the socks. And you know, just pretty much it's an all-around good gift to give. What else is on here? I did not think about the gift option. That is a good idea. And yeah, it's good for field trips, for school plays, for, like I said, pretty much everything. So when I say that this little box is literally, it doesn't weigh heavy at all. It's like very just simple. It's like toss in your bag. You can go toss in your backpack. You're good to go. So yeah, it's like I said, it's all around universally very much good to carry around with you, or say for instance in your back pocket or your front pocket, whatever pocket you want to put it in. So yeah guys, this is really good. Okay, so let's now get into my review about how I was in the regular panty, not the thong, for the whole entire day until pretty much like 16 hours. So yeah, if you want to know my thoughts on that, then please keep on watching. And I will go ahead and have all the information below in the description bar. So I got you, girl. If you need some info, I got you. And I will have their site below and their accounts, to their Instagram, to their Snapchat. I got you. So this is the little packet that I was telling you guys about, Panty Fresh, and it's in nude, extra large. And yeah, it comes with those 4 things. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So yeah guys, okay guys, so I'm not going to be showing the panty because I feel like that's kind of, I'm not very much comfortable with that. So pretty much I'm just going to show you everything else excluding the panty. Now what I will go ahead and do is I will have a picture of the panty right here, and it's a very comfortable panty. Now I wanted to go ahead and be the regular consumer, not just put on the panties by itself or the liner that it came with, because I know girls like me, it's heavy. Like, I know there's a lot of girls that's heavy out there. So this little liner is really not going to help you. Now, if you're like traveling or like at school or things like that on a road trip and stuff, and you're really not on your monthly, this is perfect to use, especially, you know, when you gotta go and you know you kind of leak a little, because you know girls do discharge. So yeah guys, I went ahead and I did it to the maximum. I took a full overnight maxi pad and I went ahead and put it in the panty, and I went ahead and used it to the extreme. When I say it was very comfortable, it was very comfortable. It was very comfortable getting on. Pretty much I'm not gonna even say if it was comfortable, because honestly guys, when I say I was checking to make sure that I had on panties, I was like, Whoa, 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 whoa. It literally feels like you don't have on anything. It feels like you're just walking with the flow. And I was just like, I know I put something on this morning. So yeah, guys, when I say it's extremely comfortable, it's extremely comfortable. It's very relaxing. You don't feel like, oh, I'm bloated, I need to get out of it, like, because I know all those feelings, guys. And before I did put on the panty, I did go ahead and use this. It is very gentle and very fresh, if you can say so. It's very fresh and just, yeah, it's just like a wipe. It's very simple. And then with the washing bag, this is the washing bag. Pretty much you just go ahead and put your little soap in here, and then you go ahead and, you know, you'll wash it. Especially, say for instance, you're on a road trip and like it's for the day and you really didn't bring any backup with you, and you just go in the bathroom and, you know, you rinse it and then you're good to go. With this product, this comes in a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large. So it comes in 4 sizes and it is up to 22. So don't worry, my beautiful plus sizes, just like me, you can fit in it too. Okay, so pretty much when you do every Panty Fresh photo hashtag on Instagram, Panty Fresh gives you back hashtag. Just go ahead and do that on Instagram, and literally they will donate $1 for every hashtag to the autism awareness and autism research, which is so wonderful, guys, that they even thought about giving back, you know. So I feel like that is so awesome of them. And also it did come with a coupon code if you're wondering, and you can get 10% off with return 10. So I will have that promo code below. And yeah, guys, I think that's about all. I love this company. This company is awesome. They are very reasonable. Okay, so and right now the panties retail for $15.99. I'm looking at my computer for all the information. And the $15.99 is each pair of panty, which is not bad, especially if it comes with a liner, a wipe, a wash bag, and the panty. That's awesome. Okay, and it comes with free shipping right now for all orders. So yeah, guys, I will have all that linked below, and I will have the website linked below also. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment on what else you want to know about this company, and don't forget to subscribe also, guys, if you want to see more of me, and if you want to be reminded also when I upload. If you want to be reminded every single time I upload, don't forget to click that bell right by the subscribe button after you're done subscribing. And if you want to follow me on all social medias, all the links will be on the end card. So watch this whole video. And if you just don't want to watch the end card, just go ahead and go to the description bar, and I will have all of my links of Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.